Hello, I'm Detective Sonny McClamrock with Missouri City Police Department, and keeping your family safe is most important to us.
Wait like 2 seconds, and I'll bet he'll ask you for your real name or your address or something. Bam! Yeah, classic. I'll just for your real name or your address or something. Bam!
Many parents ask, what can they do about internet dangers? By following these next few safety tips, your internet will be much safer at home. One of the things that you can always do is keep an open line of communication and constantly be talking to your children about online danger. You also need to be spending time with your children and having them teach you about their favorite online sites and destinations. One of the best practices that you can keep is making sure that the computer that has the internet is kept in a public room or a common room, such as the kitchen or the living room, never in the bedroom, out of the sight of supervision. You should always be talking to your children about pictures that they post, knowing that once they're posted on the internet, they can never be retrieved, and also that those pictures can be changed, modified, or photoshopped. And most important is to talk to your children about not giving out personal information such as even their real name, their date of birth, their home address, or even their school address, or even any cell phone numbers, because this could easily fall into the hands of the wrong people. The Missouri City Police Department is here to protect you and your family. We ask that you follow these steps to minimize the dangers on the internet. Again, I'm Detective Sonny McClamrock from Missouri City Police Department. Thank you for your time today.